morning finds us. Every morning as you wake, drink the water, eat the banana, with the sweet sticks, with the sweet sticks, with the sweet sticks, every mama wants to be like, with the sweet sticks, with the sweet sticks, with the sweet sticks, with the sweet sticks, every mama wants to be like, with the sweet sticks, with the sweet sticks, with the sweet sticks, with the sweet sticks. Bust them and jump. Proper real here, we can talk in the Boss is here again. Just smile again. The business spoil again. Cause we live to work again. Now one try pass me again. Stop smiling for me again. Now we there from way back when. Waiting for the dust again. So here we are. We don't have no car. Can't have no style. The business wild. This kind of fuss. Make Christian fuss. When we have the right on the blinking bus. We fuss and fuss when we have the right on the blinking bus. 2 hours late, and we finally get a bus. And we pack up like sardine, and everybody in there a bus. And if you style my shirt with your basket lady, where you're going to fight. So here we are. We don't have no car, can't have no style. When it is wild, it's kind of us. Make this not us. When we have the right on the blinking bus. We fuss and fuss when we have the right on the blinking bus. We not take a rubber band. So when we crash the competition, and we jolly down and by, we have the time to get inside. Let me pack it up, boy. Look at the big bad thing from Constant Spring, just a take up so much seat. So here we are. We don't have no car, can't have no style. This is why it's kind of us. Make Christian us. But when we have the right on the blinking bus, we fuss and fuss when we have the right on the blinking bus. All fares, please.
Uber next time, a Uber.
Lord, it hurts. This one a favorite of Miss Lou.
Help me clear, get the back of you, get me dear. Keep the breeze of love from this famous blue.
Tell them, yeah, after you know it's a burden, rest yourself at ease. singing on the mountainside. Make we eat and sing. Oh yes. Make we eat and sing. Dance and merry on the mountainside. Evening Wanna enjoy yourself? Well, if you like what you heard, we do have a CD on sale. It's called Wheel and Come Again. So you can definitely come and purchase it by the 10 there for only $10. But you know what brata mean, right? Brata mean a little extra. So we are about to give a little brata, but this one, you have to participate with us a little bit. So we are going to teach you a little dinky song. We have to go drop the dance and pan them now, you know. All right, so tell me which month the goat learn to call.
Tell me which month the goat learn to call.
All right, so that one I go sing. When I go follow back of them and sing what them sing. All right? Tell me which month the goat learn to call.
Tell me which month the goat learn to call.
I say, tell me which month the goat learn to call.
Tell me which month the goat learn to call.
I say,
January, February, March, April, May, 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 May.
It's a trap now, it's a land. If you don't catch it now, you will get it later on. Tell me which month the goat learn to call.
Tell me which month the goat learn to
I
call.
say, tell me which month the goat learn to call.
Tell me which month the goat learn to call.
I say,
January, February, March, April, May, 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 May.
all right, it's a land now. Tell me which month we can't speak the truth.
Tell me which month we can't speak the
I say,
truth.
tell me which month we can't speak the truth.
Tell me which month we can't speak the truth. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, lie.
Hey, hey. Tell me which month we can't speak the truth.
Tell me which month we can't speak the
I
truth.
say, tell me which month we can't speak the truth.
Tell me which month we can't speak the truth. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, lie.
Tell me which month we donkey can't
Tell me which month
call.
we donkey can't
I
call.
say, tell me which month we donkey can't call.
Tell me which month we donkey can't call. January, February, March, April, May, June, July.
Tell me which month we donkey can't
Tell me which month we
call.
donkey can't
I
call.
say, tell me which month we donkey can't
Tell me
call.
which month we donkey can't call. January, February, March, April, May, June, July.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good afternoon.
We take you back home, right? Remember them days? Clap them again. All right. So that was brought up, and I'm telling them about CD. And remember earlier, we did have Miss Hyacinth with our book. My papa used to say, and if you pull out Proverbs, you must have you that listen to them miss something. Then we have where it is. Okay. We can't afford to lose this one. This is from Blacka himself. It's called Rhythm and Riddles. So Blacka have some books on sale. They're over there tonight, right? Please go and support him. You hear what Murphy say? The book just as good as hearing it in person. And then no. True Miss Lou make something like the cultural stage possible. This was my ode to Miss Lou. Ode to Miss Lou from the soul of Dr. Sue. So it have a lot of pieces in there and something for the young ladies, young men. So mothers and grandparents, buy them, share them with the young people. And for those of you Jamaicans, want to be Jamaicans, Jamaicans by association, this one is called I Am Jamaica. Again, this is something for second and third generation Jamaicans to help and keep the heritage alive. It talk about with flag, It talk about we independence, we emancipation, all kind of things in there. So please, support again over to my right. These books are all available. Take one home, share them with the young people, the next generation. Yes, man. So, we're coming up to the end, but all good things come later. And before we go, we want to pick up the sponsors of today. It would not be possible, ladies and gentlemen, without Grace Food. Let's hear it. It would not be possible without VP Records. We also have Tower Isle, Jamaica Tourist Board, and Fly Jamaica. Anyone ever fly Jamaica? Yes, man, we need to support all these people because it's their sponsorship that make today. You see, some people don't understand what sponsorship mean, you know. But you see, if them never give what them have, the ticket to come in here today would probably be $75. But the fact that them sponsor and doing something for the community, they are able to bring the ticket prices down. These are the little things that these people do to support the community. So clap them again. We have a group, we have a couple that's supposed to be coming here and doing something about jerk sauce. Is that dance? Stage management, them ready? Because the first person to come up here with it, Jamaica National Flower. It is not the hibiscus, ladies and gentlemen, or the shoe block. My friend here said Lignum Vitae. Thank you very much. I'm glad to see that on the know it. And what is the... We have something for you. Don't give it to me. And what is the national bird? All right. The national dish is jerk chicken. A joke. It's still ackee and saltfish. Yes. The national tree. The blue maho. This is where people mix up all the time. The tree is the blue maho, and the flower is the lignum vitae. All right? I love to educate as well as entertain. So when you leave here today, there's something you should leave with. The flower is lignum vitae, and the tree is the blue maho. All right? Who can come up here and say the national pledge for me? You know the national pledge? Come, girlfriend. Come show off. She said, that I could start with Eternal Father, bless our land. Guide us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil thoughts. Be our light through countless odds. To our leaders, great defenders, grant through wisdom from above, justice, truth be us forever. Jamaica land we love. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica land we we supposed to do the second verse, but I'm going to give her a line, right? It's about education. Come on. Wonderful in here. Then you give her something. When next you have your church banquet or something, both verses need to be sung. Okay? Like us who sing the second verse here. But the other thing is, we don't stand with the hand for we heart for the Jamaican anthem. We stand at attention. And as soon as you hear the Jamaican anthem, we need to stand to attention. It's reverence. As soon as we hear the American anthem and everybody hands on heart, we need to do that for our Jamaican anthem. It's a beautiful prayer. A beautiful prayer. Okay? And we need Blacker to give you some more guidance. Come back and you're going to sing the second verse.
No, the first I want to correct a common error. The word is guard, not guide of Jamaica, but guard. Not guide, but guard. Mighty honest guard.
Okay.
You know I sing the second verse because singing runs in my family, but it runs past me. Some folks sing half key, I sing half the island. I must sing the second verse. All right. Attention. Attention, Mr. Teach us to respect for all. Stir response to duty's call. Strengthen us. Give us vision lest we perish. Knowledge send us. Heavenly Father, grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth be ours forever. Jamaica land we da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Boom! Boom!
Dr. Sue, I have to comment on this. We are the only people in the world who sing the drum. We unique, Jamaica, boom. We are sing the drum. If we not ordinary, we not ordinary. Trust Jamaicans, they're the very best in the world. We love one language. Dr. Sue, we can't tell you a small thing. Jump, we must go and talk. Yeah, but now pay them more money. Yeah, I'm going to talk for free now. But no, serious talking though. Jamaican language is beautiful. The English language can sometimes make things sound weird. Like you Americans would say Ghostbusters, and Jamaicans say Duppy Conqueror. Now which one sound nicer? Ghostbusters are Dopey Conqueror. Dopey Conqueror. So we must talk Jamaican talk, the American pretty talk. You know, we must talk with talk. You know, things make me word into one big word like boonunus and them word there. And catawampas and them word there. You know, and caranapo and them word there. Them they are good word, don't it? Yeah. So I must start the talk and stop to make things sound pretty. Some people are trying to twang and mix up the language and it sound bad. I used to be an English teacher and I saw a girl go in a class that I can kiss. And the girl sit there and say, let go of me now. I'm going to say, come here. Say that same thing in English. And she said, let's go after me. Because we think the twang is to talk English. That's not English. Let's go after me. No. We say, let go after me. That's Jamaican. And the English is, let me go. But that's boring. Jamaican talk nice, and even though we have some Jamaican words that are not good words, but we call them bad words, and I discourage those words for one small reason, is that every country has profanity. But Jamaican profane words are to me extremely offensive because every Jamaican bad word, bar none, every Jamaican bad word is a negative reference to female biology. And me burn down that. But we should not find the female body as a source of cursing. You understand what I say? So when you talk all these cloths, they're not pretty. So talk good words and don't talk them cloth. Because when they start tear, them not pretty. And every Jamaican bad word is a diss to woman. And I must stop this woman. Metal truth? Because every man come from a woman. And you have some Jamaican men who are trying to twist the language because them they're homophobic. Them don't want to say man to go be. Them say girl to go be. And can devil. And them don't go and go back. Because man no go back. Some man don't care. And the sign say, welcome to man devil. We're not going further. We're not enter no man devil. The one that say, okay, let's turn back. No, we're not going no back. So them still there. Stupidness. We do show them and I say, welcome to backyard. I'm like, you're black and no backyard. Mr. Bridget, your house have two front? Because if you refuse to call back, and you start to call back front, you're going to enter back and think of front. Think about it. Them get the thing wrong side and mix up because we get too worked up on language. The next thing is number 2. Because number 1 is a polite reference to urination, and number 2 to defecation. Man say, yo, them stop. I buy a CD, and the CD have track 1, track 1A, and track 3. That bad man don't play number 2. That is stupidness. Because everybody got to do number 2. If you can't do number 2, you can play number 3. And number 3 means dead. So we must stop this backward stupidness. Language is dynamic. But we have this stupid thing and it's all about dissing woman. It's a strange shit because enough man, enough Jamaican man talk about, oh, we don't love man, but we don't pet man, love woman. And him wake in the morning at 7 a.m. and him go up on the streets and I'm going to flip him and 3 more man. Then him go work on a construction site and work with 15 more man. Then him left work and go up on the ends go bar go drink with 7 more man. Then him go up on the ends and burn a chalice